Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories is here, and how I promise I will talk about these 4 cards now. So it's postcards, and I make pocket to add that oval tag inside, and use stickers, and from frame I use the deco tape. So I like that card. So inside it's pocket, and you can add some message. So it's first. Second card, it's similar stickers, and very similar, just different decoration. So tag look like that, and I add that strip of watches and make pocket from the doily and a circle from Stamperia. Sorry about that airplane, I have open door on the porch of swimming pool, and airplane from Abu Dhabi airport just fly into the world. So that card look like that. I use just little stamps to make message. Next, that is something I try to use rice paper. I glue rice paper on the scrapbooking paper because I don't have images to decorate the card. Actually, I love that birds on the rice paper, so I try to do, and it looks perfect, beautiful. I use glue from gel glue from Stamperia, from that rice paper, and looks perfect. So that is that card. And the last one I want to show you, I just used what I have on my stash, and I used leftover papers to decorate that card, and use some leaves and flowers from Stamperia, and this flower I made from the paper. I just use puncher to cut 3 flowers, and little bit go around with embossing pen. So the card look like that. So that's my last one, and hope you like it, and please leave a comment on my channel. Thank you very much to come and visit my channel, and see you on next project. Bye bye guys.